ABC 7 business commentator Richard Stern is joining us now. And Richard, a quiet day on Wall Street.
A very quiet day. The NASDAQ did close at an all-time record, although it had been up by 0.01. It would have been an all-time record, but it was up by 0.4% of the day. 70-point range, the Dow was up 30 at the high, down 40 at the low. And as you'll see, very little change at the end. And the reason for it is we're waiting for lots of earnings reports, and we're going to be seeing them very soon. Let's take a look at the numbers. There you see the Dow Jones Industrial Average is up by 6 points, 0.03% at 20,981.33. That on volume of 604 million shares. The NASDAQ, as I say, a record close, up 0.4%. Almost 24 points at 6,048.94. That on volume of 1,713 million shares. And the S&P, very much like the Dow, up 0.06%, not even 2 points at 2,388.77. Well, I've told you time to time that sometimes my business is a very strange one, and today with Under Armour was a perfect example. For the first time in the history of the company, they reported a loss. Yes, I said a loss. But guess what? It's not how much money you make, it's how much money you don't lose. What I mean by that is the stock was up 9% today, despite that loss, because their loss was 1 cent per share. Wall Street had been looking for a loss of 4 cents per share. So the key again is how well did they do versus the expectation. I will tell you that Under Armour has been down sharply year to date and sharply over the last 12 months. But with the crazy news today, guess what? Stock is up almost 10% just today.
And how about tomorrow, Richard? What are you going to be looking for?
Well, we got some big earnings reports, and I wrote them down so I didn't leave them out. Amazon, Microsoft, Intel, and Starbucks. Now, how's that for 4 companies to look at? All of which we're going to release their earnings after the close and or tomorrow morning. So I think you're going to see a mega reaction. I did see the figures from Amazon, and they look very strong.
All right. They're putting a lot of businesses out of business.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Yep.
No surprise there.
Correct.
Richard, thank you so much.
You're welcome.